grand kingdom, nestled among rolling hills and sparkling rivers, there stood a magnificent castle. It was home to the royal family, who were loved and cherished by their people. Among the castle's many splendid rooms and grand halls, there was one room that held a special place in the hearts of the family, the royal library. The royal library was unlike any other. Its shelves stretched from floor to ceiling, brimming with books of every kind imaginable. Stories of brave knights, wise wizards, and magical creatures filled the air with a sense of wonder and adventure. It was a place where dreams were woven into words, and where the imagination could soar. Living in this grand castle was a little princess named Barbie. She was not just any princess, she was curious, kind-hearted, and had an insatiable love for books. Barbie spent countless hours in the royal library, exploring the many worlds hidden within the pages of her beloved books. Each day, she would find a new story to dive into, and every night, she would dream of the adventures she read about. One sunny morning, as Barbie made her way to the library, she noticed something peculiar. A book she had never seen before was lying on the librarian's desk. Its cover was adorned with intricate gold designs and shimmering gemstones, and it seemed to glow with a magical light. The title read, "The Lost Library of Enchantment." Intrigued, Barbie picked up the book and opened it. As soon as she turned the first page, a gentle breeze swirled around her, lifting her hair and filling the room with the scent of roses. The words on the page began to glow, and suddenly, Barbie felt herself being pulled into the book. When she opened her eyes, she found herself in a place she had never seen before. She was standing in the middle of a beautiful, ancient library. The shelves were lined with books that seemed to hum with magical energy, and the walls were covered in ivy and blooming flowers. "Welcome, Princess Barbie," the gentle voice said. Barbie turned to see an elderly woman with kind eyes and a warm smile. She was dressed in robes that shimmered like stardust, and her hair was as white as snow. "Who are you?" Barbie asked, her voice filled with wonder. "I am the keeper of the Lost Library of Enchantment," the woman replied. "This library is a magical place that holds the stories of the world, waiting to be discovered by those with a pure heart and a love for adventure." Barbie's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Can I explore the library?" The keeper nodded. "Of course, but there is something you must do first. The library is in need of your help. Over the years, some of the most magical books have been hidden away, and their stories have been forgotten. You must find these books and bring them back to the library." Barbie nodded eagerly. "I'll do it. Where do I start?" The keeper handed her a small, ornate key. "This key will help you find the hidden books. Each book you find will guide you to the next. Trust your heart, and you will succeed." With the key in hand, Barbie set off on her quest. She wandered through the library, marveling at the beauty and magic that surrounded her. As she walked, she felt a gentle tug in her heart, guiding her to a corner of the library she had not yet explored. There, nestled among the shelves, she found a small, dusty book. Its cover was worn, and its pages were yellowed with age. Barbie gently opened the book, and as she did, A soft light began to glow from within the pages. The words seemed to dance on the paper, and a story began to unfold. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a village where the people had forgotten how to dream. The skies were always grey, and the flowers never bloomed. But there was one girl, a young shepherdess named Lily, who believed in the magic of dreams. One day, she discovered a hidden garden where flowers bloomed in vibrant colors and the air was filled with the scent of honeysuckle. In the center of the garden stood an ancient tree, its branches heavy with golden fruit. As Lily reached out to touch the tree, she was transported to a magical realm where dreams came to life. With the help of the tree's magic, Lily brought the gift of dreams back to her village, and the people learned to dream once more. As Barbie finished reading, the book glowed even brighter, and a soft, melodious voice spoke. You have found the first of the hidden books. Continue on your journey, and you will find the others. Encouraged by her success, Barbie continued her quest. She used the key to unlock hidden doors and secret passageways within the library. Each book she found told a unique and enchanting story, and with each story, the library grew brighter and more magical. One book told the tale of a brave young prince who ventured into the heart of a dark forest to rescue a captured unicorn. Another spoke of a wise old owl who helped a lost princess find her way home. Each story was filled with lessons of courage, kindness, and the power of believing in oneself. As Barbie collected the hidden books, she noticed that the library began to change. The once fading shelves were now filled with vibrant, glowing books, and the air was filled with the soft hum of magic. The flowers on the walls bloomed more brightly, and the ivy seemed to dance with joy. Finally, Barbie came to the last hidden book. It was larger than the others, and its cover was adorned with a beautiful, shimmering image of the castle she called home. With a sense of anticipation, she opened the book and began to read. Long ago, in a kingdom not unlike Barbie's own, there was a princess who loved books and adventures. She discovered a magical library, just as Barbie had, and embarked on a quest to restore its magic. With courage and determination, she found all the hidden books and brought their stories back to life. Her journey was filled with wonder, and she learned that the greatest magic of all is the magic of love and imagination. As Barbie read the final words, a warm, golden light filled the room. The keeper of the lost library appeared before her, her eyes shining with pride. You have done it, Princess Barbie, she said. You have restored the magic of the library. The stories will live on, and the magic of imagination will continue to inspire those who seek it. Barbie smiled, her heart filled with joy. Thank you for this adventure. I will always cherish the memories and the magic of this place. The keeper nodded. And remember, the magic of the library is always within you. As long as you believe in the power of stories and the magic of your own heart, you will always find your way. With those words, Barbie felt herself being gently lifted from the library. When she opened her eyes, she was back in the royal library, the magical book still in her hands. She smiled and placed the book on a special shelf, knowing that its magic would continue to inspire others. From that day forward, Barbie shared the stories of her adventure with everyone she met. She encouraged them to believe in the magic of books and the power of their own imaginations. And so, the Royal Library became a place of wonder and inspiration for all who visited, and the magic of the lost Library of Enchantment lived on forever.